In this video, we'll explore how to manage your equipment maintenance with Fixeets directly in Google Sheets. In a new Google Sheets tab, download the Maintenance Management add-on created by Fixeets. Install the add-on and return to your Google Sheet. In Extensions, click on Maintenance Management. If the console doesn't open, refresh your browser cache. Choose your language and generate your workspace. The Fixeets environment is made up of two parts: 5 Google Sheets where all your data will be stored, and an interactive console to carry out all your actions. To add a new equipment, click on Equipment. Then click on New to fill out the form. All the information will be directly stored in the corresponding Google Sheet. To add a new manager, click on Manager. Then click on New to fill out the form. All the information will be directly stored in the corresponding Google Sheet. Now let's move on to creating preventive maintenance tasks. In the Preventive tab, click on New and fill in all the information relevant to your maintenance task. The preventive maintenance will be saved in the corresponding Google Sheet, and a recurring event will be created in a specific calendar. To report an incident, do the same. Click on New and fill out the incident report. All the information will be directly stored in the corresponding Google Sheet. To create your intervention reports, click on Intervention. Select the maintenance task to perform and complete the intervention report. All the information from the report will be stored in the Google Sheet, and the preventive event will be closed in the calendar. You can also print your intervention reports directly from the console to easily share them with your team. You can customize your data by adding additional information through the Add Column tab. Once added, the information will be directly available in the corresponding form. To edit existing information, click on the Edit tab. Select your element and edit the necessary fields. The changes will then be applied to all sheets. To correct an intervention report, click on History. Then select the intervention report you want to correct. To link an item's consumption to your intervention reports, you can connect your Fixeets inventory management system. To do this, select your file from the Inventory Management tab in the Options. Once the operation is complete, you'll be able to record the use of your items in the corresponding fields. To share your maintenance management system with your team, there are two options. First, you can simply share your Google Sheets file by adding an email address as an editor. Second, if you don't want to share the file directly, you can give your users access only to the console. To do this, simply grant editor rights to the Fixeets service email address on your file. Once done, you can assign permissions to your users and share an access link with them by email. You can also access and share the console on your phone or tablet by scanning the QR code. The Fixeets add-on comes with a complete analysis dashboard. There, you'll find all the information and analyses you need to manage your maintenance. Thanks to the filters, you can display only the information that really matters to you. Many other analysis tabs are available to help you conduct a detailed study of your maintenance management. You're now ready to manage your maintenance efficiently, so download the Maintenance Management with Sheets add-on for free from the Google Workspace Marketplace.